Do you know where the water you drink comes from? What about the water that comes out of the faucet every time you take a bath? Do you know where it comes from? What do you think might happen if there's no water in this world? Today, kids, come with me and let us all explore and learn more about water. What is water? A water is a chemical substance composed of hydrogen and oxygen existing in gaseous, liquid, and solid state that is essential to all known forms of life. It is one of the vital elements needed in our day-to-day activities as a living being. Water comes from different sources. It may come from open or closed sources. It may also come from a small body of water or a big body of water. Others come from clouds as rain. The kind of water depends on its source. The three kinds of water are seawater, fresh water, and groundwater. Seawater is salty. It contains plenty of salt. It is found in the seas and oceans. Seawater is also called hard water. Fresh water is also called surface water. This is found in open but small bodies of water like rivers, lakes, creeks, and ponds. Surface water comes mostly from rain. Rainwater flows from land into streams and rivers. In cold countries, it also comes from snow, icebergs, and glaciers, and when melt it runs off into surface water. Groundwater is found beneath the earth's surface. It comes from water that seeps into the ground. This accumulates in the underground layer called water table. Groundwater is the safe source of water. It is considered the cleanest water and contains plenty of dissolved minerals which the human body needs. Water is also very useful. What do you think are the uses of water? Here are the uses of water. Fresh water is used for cleaning, washing, bathing, preparing food, and other household uses. It contains plants and animal life. It is used to water plants. It is given to animals to drink. Without water, animals and people will die for thirst. Fresh water in rivers, lakes, and springs is used for recreation. One can go swimming or boating in these places. Clean rivers and lakes are also a rich source of shrimps, crabs, and shellfish. River and lakes, like seawater, can serve as routes of transportation for boats like ferry boats in Pasig River. Fresh water and groundwater may also be used in farm for irrigation and livestock watering and in factories. Seawater is the habitat of marine aquatic plants and animals. So now kids, are you now familiar with the different sources and kinds of water? Kids, always remember that water is an important natural resource which is essential for all living beings. It is also essential for the existence and survival of plants and animals. We also use water for drinking and other household activities like washing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, and so on. It is also used for irrigating the fields and generating electricity. To find out if you really understand the sources and kinds of water, let us all do the following activities. Prepare your paper and pencil, then answer the following correctly. And you may now start.